In today's video, beautiful curvy model Yessika D. Munoz's IO swimwear outfit is a captivating blend of modern and ancient aesthetics. Her footwear consists of strappy, gold heels that echoes the metallic accents throughout the look. The ensemble centers around a sleek, black triangle top bikini, showcasing a minimalist yet striking silhouette. This is complemented by a flowing, gold bias-cut sarong, draped artfully around her hips and thighs, adding a touch of Grecian elegance. The gold fabric creates a luxurious contrast against the dark bikini, enhancing the overall visual impact. The gold chain's intricate design further emphasizes the luxurious feel of the outfit. The outfit exudes a sophisticated sensuality, artfully merging subtle elegance with striking statement pieces, while highlighting Yessika's silhouette and the designer's innovative vision, showcasing her versatile style that adapts to different looks.